Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go ahead and get this messy bun. This is like a lazy girl's like best friend, like this hairstyle is, and it's just so easy. I love to do it when I'm just about to go run some errands or if I'm just around the house and want to look a little bit of presentable. I like to do this hairstyle because it's just so easy to do. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I get this hairstyle. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to be a part of my YouTube channel family, and go ahead and drop some comments down below. What other hairstyles do you guys want to see from me while my hair is straight? Because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be going back curly probably like next week. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see from me and what kind of hairstyles, or if you guys even like your videos. So yeah. Give it a thumbs up if you like your video. So yeah, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see you guys in the video. Alright y'all, so y'all are about to see me go from this to a top bun. It's hair for me. So I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser brush that is full of hair. Sorry. My little, I don't know what they call these. Well, this is like an Evolve brush. Y'all know what type of brush this is. And bobby pins if I need it. I have my twisty. I like mine to be kind of used but not too used, so that it's just kind of easier to work with. I have my extreme hair gel. That's what I'm going to do to just kind of lay my hair. I got a toothbrush because my edges brush is just kind of like very gunky and nasty. And then I have some extra, what is this, 24-hour edge tamer by Ben. Just in case my edges kind of want to play. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by just kind of brushing. Ooh. I'm gonna start off by brushing my hair, just making sure that it's tangle free, so that when I put it up it'll be, you know, like easier to deal with. Right now I'm at the point where oh my goodness, I hate when hair is on me. I'm at the point right now where I'm pretty much deciding how high I want my bun, like the position of my bun. So like I'll be doing my hair, and I absolutely have dandruff because it's like winter time and my scalp is so dry right now. Now I don't want this to be like a structured bun, so I'm not trying to like make it super like, you know what I mean. So now that I've gotten all the hair kind of the way that I want it, so now we're at this point and I'm just trying to see kind of where like I want the bun. Look into my bigger mirrors so that I can just kind of make it make sense. Before I put my hair up, I'm just going to kind of go ahead and swoop out just a little bit of the hair that I want out for my edges. I don't really go OD with the edges because I'm really not good at doing them. But if y'all are creative and y'all are good at that, pull your edges out, girl. You know, like swoop them out, do like cute little things. I don't know. I've never been like creative when it comes to it, so like mine never come out the way that they look on other girls. So yeah, sometimes I'll just pull out a little bit of hair to see like where and what I want, and then I need to do some here because like I will just pull out a little bit. Okay, so now that the edges that I want are pulled out, I can start go ahead and like doing my bun. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. I feel like I'm balding. So if y'all know how to like stop that, like I've been using castor oil and everything, but I don't know why I'm like, I feel like I'm balding right there. It's so crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna want my bun to be a little bit higher. I don't want it to be in the back, but yeah, you can decide. So I'm just gonna wrap. Okay, so this is the second time. So the second time, this is where the messy bun kind of comes into play. I'm just gonna work. See, my hands are still in there. I can take my hands out and hold the bun, and I'm gonna use my thumb. You guys can't see. I'm gonna use my thumb to kind of push and tuck the hair as I move the scrunchie, if that makes any type of sense at all. So then I like to just take whatever's underneath there, and you can use a ponytail holder if you want to or not. So this is the bun at first, and then what I like to do is pull it out just a little bit. You can adjust your bun. So let me see how mine is looking. This is cute. If you want yours to be like a little bit messier, then you can just like, you know, play with it. So that's literally all I'm doing, is like teasing my bun to where it's whatever size that it needs to be. But we still need to do our edges before we can go. And so yeah, like I said, I'm going to take just a toothbrush. I've not used this toothbrush, by the way. I've only used it on my edges, so you ain't brushing teeth with this, okay? And this extreme hair gel, I think I mentioned this is in like one of my other videos. There's so much in here. I legit only use like the cap for my hair. So I'll zoom you guys in. So yeah, all I do is I just take some this in here. Sometimes I'll wet my brush too if it's a little stiff. That looks really, really good. So yeah, this is the final look. This is my like kind of messy-ish bun. It's a little bit more actually put together. I could probably make it a little bit more messy. But yeah, guys, this is my top bun. I hope it's centered. Thanks guys for coming to watch my videos. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below for more videos. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want more like hair videos, like different style tips and things like that. Thanks guys for coming to watch my video, and love you all. Bye.